Alright, as you may know, I got a brand new Apple Watch back in November if you watch the unboxing video, which will be top right there. So, this is the watch right now, and in this video I will talk about the condition of this Apple Watch because it is in a new color, which is jet black, which you can see right here, the all new jet black. I would say it's still in okay condition. I guess it's been like 3 months if I remember correctly. I'll put it right here. This is a good watch from my experience. So let me just take this band off. So I usually have 3 bands when I'm using this Apple Watch. I use this Apple Watch every day though. So one of them is this one. When I bought the Apple Watch, I ordered with this. I also have this one. It's soft mint. It released back in 2024. And last but not least, this one is from my series 7. It's the Nike, I forget what it called. I'll just put it right here. Good thing you can reuse these when it comes to Apple Watch bands. I use this the most when I'm doing swimming. So yeah, you can see here's a watch. I have this watch face. I always have this watch face since I have my series 7 back in 2022. Look at the side right here. There are no scratches. Let me just get a cloth real quick. So microfiber cloth just to clean it so that you guys can see it way better. I'll show you the aluminum casing first, then I'll show you the front. So here's the side, the left side with the speaker. As you can see, there's the new speaker grill. You can kind of see right here. This part seems to be clean. For the bottom part, as you can kind of see right here, there's like a dent. Yeah, to be honest, it feels more like a dent. So on the right side, it seems to be mint, which you can see right here. And on the top, oh, this is the obvious one. So there's this dot right here, which you can see. I have no idea how did I even get off those scratches from or dents. This one is probably the most noticeable one. Oh wait, is that? Nope, I don't think that's a scratch. That's just the dust. And when you look at the bottom, and you can see me, hi. So yeah, here's the bottom. I'll be honest though, it actually collects a lot of dirt if you sweat a lot. So when you sweat a lot, it will get nasty at the back. I wouldn't want to show it here because like in case if some of you guys feel uncomfortable. So I've already washed it, so I guess that's good. When you rinse it in water, it's pretty much good to go. This watch is fingerprint magnetic, so if I do this, yep, it is fingerprint magnet. I don't think you guys can see it that well on the camera, but in person you can really notice it. So let's look at the front of the screen. And from my experience, this screen holds up way better compared to the Series 7. I don't know whether they use the same glass for the front, but I noticed this one holds up way better compared to the Series 7. It doesn't have any scratches yet as of right now for this long. That's pretty much it. So I guess I would talk about this Apple Watch. One thing I like about it is that it can last for a day and a half, which is quite impressive for me because on my Series 7, when it was new, it only can last for a day. So I want to show you guys the battery health as of right now. So if I go to battery health, it's still at 100%. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Check out my videos, I guess, right here. And yeah, bye.